have we done? We have forgotten ourselves and each other, well, in the process of being right. Can we live together as we did despite very different lives? We have been missing each other, sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark on the ground in the night.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on that subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. So guys, we are vlogging. I don't know where we are going. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we are vlogging. Please stay tuned.
Just ain't right. Where are we now? Are we too proud to see each other through different eyes, to strive to leave the past behind and move to higher heights? 'Cause we have been missing each other as sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark on the ground in the night, and it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. Right. No, it just ain't right. Have we always been the creatures of the night? Can we all begin to see by turning on the lights and make things right? We gotta make things right. 'Cause we have been missing each other, sisters and brothers, and we have been.
You are probably wondering what's happening here. So as a running club, we are here supporting another running club rather that's having a race. So we are supporting them by manning a water station where people can refuel, you know, like get water, get Coke, and some oranges. We actually had some oranges on this water point. So we are basically cheering for the runners and having a good time, you know. So that is what's happening right here. And I think this water point was a vibe, guys. This water point was really a vibe. Yeah, keep on watching. I hope you're having a good time. Thank you for being here.
And it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. We gotta make things right.
This ain't forever, so hold me closer, 'cause we still have some time. Can't see the water past the vapor skies, but boy, I've seen those eyes before. They counted off all foot. I wanted, I needed, but catch me in and out your door. that you miss me. Too soon to hear the words, right place, wrong time. Counting every second that you kiss me. Couldn't see the signs, but boy, I've seen those eyes before. I counted off all four. I want it, I got it, wish I could flaunt it like the old. I feel myself wanting more. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. Even in this weather, find us in between the sheets. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. I just love to love you, only for the summer. Wait, was it always pretty in my dreams? Was you? I wanna taste you like sugar in my tea, but it's bittersweet, 'cause I know it's only for the summer. Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide in the hum of the crowd.
And obviously, you know who influenced me to bake, right? Cook with Ntsako. I'm gonna attach her profile somewhere on the screen. However, I did not do like the normal round that she did. I just put my dough in a rectangular tray, and once it was done baking, then I went ahead and cut my scones. But man, oh man, this recipe, it is really a try. You need to try it out. You need to try it out. Cause wow, these were absolutely yum yum nom noms. So yeah, let me stop talking and let us enjoy this moment.
Her words cut clear, a dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pre chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. Go, a trance of glory. Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. Her touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. Go, a trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. Go, a trance of glory.
What have we done We have forgotten ourselves and each other, well, in the process of being right. Can we live together as we did despite very different lives? We have been missing each other as sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark on the ground in the night, and it just ain't right.
Good morning, loves. I hope you well. So I am here with Ndebu for a walk. Are you ready? I am here for a walk with Ndebu. We are just enjoying nature's scenery. Yes. Yeah, we are just here enjoying nature's scenery, and yeah, chat to you in a bit. We'll show you what we see along the way. Come along with us.
Are we now? Are we too proud to see each other through different eyes? To strive to leave the past behind and move to higher heights. 'Cause we have been missing each other as sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark on the ground in the night, and it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. Right. No, it just ain't right. Have we always been the creatures of the night? Can we all begin to see by turning on the lights and make things right? We gotta make things right.
Hey loves, so we have come to the end of our vlog. I'm just here to really just close it up, but while I do that, I just wanted to share that beauty behind me. Like, look at that, guys. Being able to enjoy such moments, you know, it takes intentionality, because you have to wake up and actually take that walk, and while you're taking that walk, actually be present in that moment. So we are truly grateful for these moments. I just want to say, if you've watched my vlog until this far, thank you so much for your continuous support. I truly appreciate the love, the support, and everything that is in between. So I truly appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button. That will truly go a long way for me. Like and share my video as well. Until we meet again on my next video, bye.
Sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark on the ground in the night, and it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. We gotta make things right.